Hi friends, this is Pooja Singh and you're watching my channel Crack UGC Net 2017, and today I'm going to discuss some UGC Net 2014 Code X paper environment related MCQ and explanations. This is part 4, and today I'm going to discuss about smog and some pollution related questions. Okay friends? So friends, here in this question, first question is which of the following cities has been worst affected by urban smog in recent times? So friends, first of all we will discuss about what is smog. So friends, smog is a type of air pollution and they derived from the word smoke and fog. So when they mix, these terms are mixed together, they become smog. Okay. So in the past, smoke was caused by the burning of large amount of coal, and from the coal it was originated smoke, sulfur dioxide and other component. And now in the modern day, why smoke is happening? Because is derived from vehicular emissions from internal combustion engines and industrial fumes. So friends, when we see cars and other transportation, in transportation there is emission from internal combustion engines and they derive like smoke. So they react in the atmosphere with sunlight, that vehicular emission derived from the react in the atmosphere with the sunlight and they form secondary pollutant that also combined with primary emissions to form photochemical smoke. So photochemical smoke, I am discussing it. Photochemical smoke is, so photochemical smoke is the chemical reaction of sunlight, nitrogen oxide and volatile organic compound in the atmosphere, and they leave the airborne particles and ground level ozone. So these mixture of air pollutant may include the following like aldehydes, nitrogen oxides, nitric oxide and peroxyl nitrates, tropophyllide ozone and volatile organic compounds. So when the photochemical smog is happening, there is chemical reaction of sunlight, nitrogen oxide and volatile organic compound. So what are the other causes of smoke? So first cause is coal, second is transportation emissions, third is photochemical smoke, then is natural causes, then like natural causes there is in natural causes like volcanic, they form when gases and particles are released from an erupting volcano and mix with sunlight, oxygen and moisture. So they form the smog. So friends, what are the health effects of smoke? So there is inflamed breathing passage and decrease the lungs working capacity, and there is shortness of breath and pains when inhaling deeply, and wheezing, coughing, eye and nose irritation and increased susceptibility to illness. So friends, now we return our original questions. Which of the following cities has been worst affected by urban smog in recent times? So I am taking a picture. So friends, here you can see it's a Beijing, and when there was smoke arrived, there was a situation like this. Before there was crystal clear environment, after smoke there was a situation like this. So there was the law also. Law gives them power to detain company bosses who don't complete environmental impact assessment and removes limit on fines for firms that breach pollution quotas. So there was a law also who breached the environmental pollution quotas, so they will impose the fine to that place also. So this is Beijing, and this is the Beijing where the smoke arrived very huge amount. So the friends, correct answer is D, Beijing. I hope you all have understood what I am saying. So our second question is, So our second question from environmental question paper is like the primary source of organic pollution in freshwater bodies is what? A. Runoff urban areas, runoff from agricultural farms. C. Sewage effluents, and D. Industrial effluents. So friends, first of all we would know what is freshwater bodies. So all you have known like freshwater bodies are those water bodies which contains at least 1% of salt by weight. So there are two type of freshwater bodies. They are lentic water bodies like standing water bodies and which are running water bodies. So so 98% of fresh water are present in the lentic water, and there are three types of lentic water bodies like lake, pond and impoundments. So their major characteristics are they dissolve oxygen is the limiting factor. Water movement is due to wind action, heat and internal gravity, and high disposition they have. So they have various characteristics. Now lake has the lentic water bodies, and so friends, freshwater pollution we categorize into two parts. First is pollution of surface water and pollution of groundwater. There are two types of freshwater pollution. So the groundwater bodies and surface water bodies together have been kept under the class freshwater. So fresh water bodies because their salt content is very low and always less than 5 ppt, and organic matter, industrial wastewater and domestic sewage are the like organic pollution comes from more where from domestic sewage and industrial wastewater. So they deplete the oxygen from the water and consume as it decomposes and stress or suffocating aquatic life, and like biological oxygen demand, dissolved DOC, dissolved oxygen. So by this we solve the water pollution. So how these organic pollution occurs? Organic pollution occurs when large quantities of organic compounds act as substrate from the microorganism and are released into water sources, and during the decomposition process, the dissolved oxygen in the receiving water may be used up at a greater rate then it can be replenished, and causing oxygen depletion and having severe consequences for the stream biota. Now organic effluents are also frequently contain large quantity of suspended solids which reduce the light available to photosynthesis organism, and on setting out alter the characteristics of the river bed, render it an unsuitable habitat for many invertebrates. Toxic ammonia is often present in a multiplying of combination. So sewage effluents is the greatest source of organic material discharged to fresh water. So our correct answer is C, sewage effluents. And if you like my video, please comment, please like and please share my video, subscribe it, and more okay friends. So thank you.